very occasionally over the journey, I've come across a blind that's been mismeasured, and the drop has been given to us as too high, which results in the skin being made too long. And occasionally that has manifested itself by making the bottom bar difficult to adjust so that it goes up straight. Now, this one, for whatever reason, has been made too long, so as you can see, it's right down now, and gee, there's about 3 or 4 wraps on it. So what I'm going to do is just show you how to take the skin out and change it, and that can be one reason why a bottom bar goes up crooked and it's difficult to get it right. So even though this is right down, it's hard to get to it to adjust it. So we'll take it up, drilled out the top stops. So these are temporary. This is a Maestria motor, so it will touch the top stops. And despite what I've just said, this one goes up fine and it goes up level. So we'll just see that. There. Take out the side spline, drop it down a bit. That'll do. Now we can disengage the bottom bar. Knock the end cap off one end. Slide the bottom bar off. Put that down here. Now to take the skin off. Right down. And I'm going to just take out the idle end, slide it all off of the motor, put the new skin on and do the same.